Hello friends, today I will be showing you how to disassemble this air gun and its BSI Comet Evo silentium. I was searching on internet any video, anything to show me how to disassemble this gun, but I couldn't find. So I'm making this video for you because I did that once. So it's very easy. It's the easiest gun to be taken apart. So the tools that we need, it's a hammer, this kind of tongue, and this big one also, screwdriver, and something like this, any kind of metal if you have, just to kick the pin out. So let's get started. From the beginning, or in the beginning, there is two plastics holder here. You have to take them off somehow, like they are coming out. They are like with the clip. Let's see. Doesn't want to go out. There. They are like clips. They clips here and another side. And there. You have two screws, one here and another one there. And yes, just screw them out like any air gun. They all have the same places, like screws, but those are a little bit hidden. It's a beautiful air gun, very nice to shoot, and yes, I like it a lot. So be careful to not lose your screws. There, another one there, just jump. And there is another one here, and you go through this hole to the screw and you turn it out. So yes, as like I said, it's very easy gun to take apart. It's the most easiest one that I ever seen. A little bit more here. There. And what you need is gently just push this away or kick it gently. There it is. It's out. Now, what we have here is the most difficult part in this gun. It's the only part that is difficult to take off. It's this little spring here, and that have a clip here. It's plastic to make when you cock when you cock the gun will not touch the metal to another metal, and that will have a scratch or something, you know. So they put a clip here, and it's plastic to prevent that scratching. Be careful to not lose this. It's very important. It's you can see a piece of plastic, but it's very important. They call it cocking elevation. Yes, and this spring here is the most difficult one. This here, it was a little bit challenge for me to take it out. It's just you need to push it out from the clip here that is holding, to push it out, and then yeah, it's just to push out this spring, but it's very difficult, and there is all pieces of plastic around, so you have to be careful with this. This is very difficult. Doesn't have no place, like you know, there is no place to hold on to, or do something like I will try to bring another let's see, I will bring another tool so we can fix it. Yes, this screwdriver maybe will do the job. I got this spring. It's the most difficult one, and be careful to not destroy it or damage it, because it's very important. That will stop the gun from shooting when it's on. Just try to push that away. There. Something like this, and just need to come out now. There, it is out. This will prevent this, when you cock the gun, will go this piece of plastic here, and then you cannot shoot. It's like a stop or something like that. So yes, or a break. But be careful with this piece of plastic, and it's coming like out like this there, and it's coming out. And be careful with this spring to not lose it. And now what we need to do, it's like to yes, put something. I will put something, or I should take this scope. So yes, I will bring a tool to take it off. I'm sorry, I forget that sometimes. There is the tool. It's Allen key. Should take off the scope. I'm trying to do my best. It's my first video, so yes, the scope is now off, and save the Allen key. And now this piece is all one piece. And this is why I said it's very easy to take it apart. Oh, and I forget to mention, be careful to not lose this piece of plastic. It's the one that is helping the gun to cock and in place. There is two plastic, one here and this one, and always going there. Be careful to when you open the gun to not fall down on the ground and you lose it. It's very, very important, this piece of plastic. I'm sorry I didn't mention that before, because I was looking from this side and that piece of plastic is in another side. So yes, now we have this pin here that should go out, and it's very easy. You don't have to need any special tool or something. I just put it on the ground here, take the hammer, take the small tool. This is the hammer, this is the small tool that I said before to kick with, and yes, just pinch it out like a little bit, not all the way, not all the way. So you have this part come out like this, and this should be enough. What I'm doing, I'm putting the gun like that, holding it like a little bit, put pressure on it like this, and with this tool I'm taking that pin out like this. There. And the gun is not jump or something. So here it is. It's all open. That is all. The gun, it's open now. And you can do your service or whatever you want to do. Here is the gun. It's open. And it's, yes. It's ready that you can do whatever you want, to change your spring, to clean it, to do whatever you want to do. Yes, or all open. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you how to open this gun. Thank you. Goodbye.